my first FLL, the theme was hydrodynamics. And we made this simple system to detect leakages in pipes. But when you think about it, it's such a big problem. And us, the school team, can actually do something about it. And it's not a very complicated solution, it's a very straightforward solution, which we possess the skills to do. But still, no one had done it before us, and that shocks you. That moment where you realize that you can be the change.
So that's when they were walking on the road. The team was walking on the road, and we saw a pipe leaking. Okay, and how it is? We just walk by, right? Normally we don't bother. Okay, pipe leaking. Okay, municipal aake kar ke. But these guys are like, oh, the water is leaking. Where do we complain? How do we complain? How do we stop it? How do we correct? They picked up and they're like, then they went ahead with it. They went and approached these hydro engineers in the Worldly, there was a big team of engineers. And I witnessed this meeting, so I know there was like 8 engineers from the municipal department, big capable guys. And these 8 kids, I could see the kids and engineers talk in a way that an adult, like 2 adult teams are talking. It was like that. So when the engineers saw the kids enter the room, they're like, oh, we thought, koi bade log aa rahe hain to talk to us. We were set up with some big people, but at the end of the meeting, they were shocked at how these kids communicated and how they understood the technical aspect of the problem they were talking about. They gave suggestions to the team, and the municipal guys are like, yeah, I think this is something we can apply. It is. See, the seed is planted. Now, whatever happens, happens. So there was a big issue. There was something very nice.